And now you got me sipping on this pint. And now you looking at me one last time. But I ain't about to let you face me. Hurt still lingers vaguely, leaving all these L's behind. I was just bugging on something, but you know I forgot it. How did you call up my feelings, so I had to go toss them. Hope it's romantic, you got me, say I know what I want. Betrayal, the lust of deceiving, and it's all that I got. Leave it all back in the past, yeah, I gotta give me this bag. Screw it, I'm back to the future, got DeLorean gas. Saw that she dropped in my DMs, so then I hit the dash. Asking if we can just be friends, no, I gotta get cash. Running it back to the stands, I got the jet of the move, yeah. I gotta keep up my grind, I don't got petty to lose, nah. And I don't just settle for nothing, now I get what I want. While you would just settle for something that was made out of loss. You were just going all out here for the fame thing. I was just going out slowly unnoticed. She was out here looking for something. Gotta stop the show if you focus. And now you got me sipping on this pint. And now you looking at me one last time. But I ain't about to let you face me. Hurt still lingers vaguely, leaving all these L's behind. And now you got me sipping on this pint. And now you looking at me one last time. But I ain't about to let you face me. Hurt still lingers vaguely, leaving all these L's behind. I just had to turn it into past tense. Acting out of pocket yet romantic. Lessons made me learn from the same mistakes. She might be a vixen, but she full of hate. You were just going all out here for the fame thing. I was just going out slowly unnoticed. She was out here looking for something. Gotta stop the show if you focus. Leave it all back in the past, yeah, gotta give me this bag. Screw it, I'm back to the future, got DeLorean gas. Saw that she dropped in my DMs, so then I hit the dash. Asking if we can just be friends, no, I gotta get cash. Running it back to the stands, I got the jet of the move, yeah. I gotta keep up my grind, I don't got petty to lose, nah. And I don't just settle for nothing, now I get what I want. While you would just settle for something that was made out of loss.
Oh my god, is that Jamie Lester?
Baby, she know that I'm chasing my dreams on the road to the green, yeah, I'm pocket so green. On the block on the scene, only got from my team. Now these bitches love me, yeah, these hoes some fiends. I ain't doing no drugs, I ain't doing no lean. When they see J and S, they know they gon' stripping the sauce, wearing Gucci, I'm wearing Supreme. Yeah, these haters, they mad that I'm chasing my dreams. I'm a brought to the top, yeah, I'm not gonna stop. Me and my bros, we just had a lot. Getting this money, not chasing a dot. I'm a brought to the top, yeah, that is my damn plot. Yeah, these haters love me, but I swear they could ride. Beat me so fire, I'm not gonna dry. Doing my thing on the graph for my pride. Wearing Gucci and Louis, you Jason McCall. In the room going crazy, man, they know I've been flowing so lately. J Bandit, that's my bro on them daily. Me and Battle, yeah, we living so wavy. Yeah, I know that these niggas don't hate me, but I swear these haters don't face me. I'm just doing my thing every day. Man, I swear they call me crazy. Yeah.
These bitches, I swear they so crazy. I'm smoking dope to their face, so they face me. You pointing these gays, no wonder she chase me. Been in your block in the old black Mercedes. We coming up, can't let anything phase me. Shorty so bad, yeah, she calling me baby. Chasing this money, this shit every day. Grinding so hard like this shit is a race. This shit will last me ahead in first place. Trapping so hard, all this money is safe. Call me a foreign, now call me a raid. On IG, now I know who you stay. Sending these shots so these bullets they spray. Grinding so hard, so you know we pay. Shout out the 6 and yeah, shout out the gang. Shout out the 6 and yeah, shout out the gang.
Yeah, my niggas, we flowing. We invested like we glowing. We just doing us, we ain't making fuss. We just working hard, yeah, no these niggas mad, yeah, they show that too. Ain't getting mad, we ballin', Baby, she know that I'm chasing my dreams on the road to the green, yeah, I pocket so green. On the block on the sea, only graph for my team. Now these bitches love me, yeah, these hoes some fiends. I ain't doing no drugs, I ain't doing no lean. When they see J and yes, I know they gon' stripping the sauce, wearing Gucci, I'm wearing Supreme. Yeah, these haters, they mad that I'm chasing my dreams.
hands down, it's about to be the best remix ever, man. Better than everybody else shit. I'm telling you. Come on. Listen. Hey, man. Fuck your shit up, don't even need a condom. Go to the top, I take you to the bottom. Right now, I should be in the asylum. I control that bitch, what a Poseidon. Put the dick inside her pussy, she wildin'. 1 of July, bitch, I am a lion. Trilly my dog, but his name ain't Brian. If he think it hot, what him up like a fireman. Hit a pussy nigga in the face with a bat. Home run, then run home. Slow down. Nigga thought it wasn't gonna go down. They must think I'm just a hoe now. Rap shit made you cry, make you wanna fucking die. Well, if not, I don't think you want it, so you won't survive. I look at you in your eyes and ask you if you wanna die. Know some niggas who was trapping, flipping packs just to survive. I went from Baltimore to the birds. Nigga was sleeping on me, now I'm heard. They talking about we need a link for a verse. Bitch, I don't know you, stop plucking my nerves. Shout out Miss White, I said I fucked you on the desk. Stop playing with that pussy like a motherfucking Xbox. Fill that pussy up like a motherfucking checkbox. You don't told the text stop, you told that caps lock. I went to school, ain't in bark in the streets, but you better respect if you talking to me. And I cannot excuse my provocative speech. This is the work of the mark of the beast. Paramedics might just need some chalk of his speech. Really putting in work here by comfortable beat. You niggas tripping, you talking too cheap, better get up your money and comfortable feet. She on my dick like bark on the tree. I'ma fuck that little bitch, make a call from my meat. Now I'm contaminated, but I can't be wasted. I'm feeling like God gave his power to me. Why'd you end in this bitch with a feet and us? Hoes know that I know how to treat a slut, but I can't treat a little cheating slut. I hope that bitch get leukemia. You can't have the password, not to my social media. She be looking at me like a my candy, so I asked her if she wants a Reese's Puff. Now a nigga coming up quick, hit you with an uppercut quick. And my bitch love to suck dick. Yeah, my bitch love to suck dick. If she don't love to suck dick, then I guess I just can't lick clit. Or I might cut the bitch off, cause I only wanted some lip. And then the motherfucker riddle with a motherfucker, get you all motherfucker, hit you all motherfucker, stick you get a motherfucker, pistol go find a motherfucker, turn him to a make griddle, lay low for a little. Complex nigga, ain't shit I do simple. 100 motherfuckers wanna put me on a verse, 100 motherfuckers wanna put me on a shirt, 100 motherfuckers wanna put me in a hearse, 100 motherfuckers that like this shit, and it's probably for the best or it's probably for the worst. I don't even care, I'm not the one failing. You said you chasing a bag, you're trailing. Made a song about trap niggas, but you running from them boys daily. I do not get it, I do not get it. Who run this shit, nigga? Who run this shit, nigga? Hey, that nigga gon' run that shit, nigga. Hey man, I told y'all niggas this is the best remix, nigga. Hey, stop playing with me, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yeah, little bitch ass nigga. Bitch! Ooh. You finna die, baby! Oh wait, you already did. Boom, 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 boom!
Intervals, God, here I am, God, show me love. What? Run it up. Run it up.
Hey, rap like I don't care, I'm red, don't they care for how y'all welfare cross that shaking cause you faking. Yo, rap like I don't care, I'm red, don't they care for how y'all welfare cross that shaking cause you faking. Talk like I'm in it, my brothers say when I repent for my sin and then back to these women. Walk like I'm dying, please give me a coffin, I'm coughing from pollen. If you from Georgia, you know what I'm talking. Yo, rap like I don't care, I'm red, don't they care for how y'all welfare cross that shaking cause you faking. Talk like I'm in it, my brothers say when I repent for my sin and then back to these women. Walk like I'm dying, please give me a coffin, I'm coughing from pollen. If you from Georgia, you know what I'm talking. I'm in the metals, living metal, getting fucking hellos on my little medals, feeling my rage. I took some time to be more than I am. Fire from heaven, I sick to the skies. Young in my 20s, I'm gifted and wise. Blade in my arm when I ride in the skies. The lure in my seat when I ride with a beam. Worry about mama, I move at the palace. Put on my gold and I dream from the shallows. Always show love when they throwin' that malice. Special bean cannon right through you like raddies. Snapping they fingers like posts with a photo. Shoot your team, I spray at your logo. Party with villains, we only know local. I'm scaring the locals, you hear my vocals. Not worry about bozes, I'm out of the ozone like give me more layers. I'm out of your atmosphere, stratosphere, hanging off roof like a chandelier. I am a grenadier, hand me a bandolier. Yeah, most of y'all music don't move me, ayy. Most of these women don't move me, ayy. Most of these hoes don't move me, ayy. Laugh with your man cause he goofy, ayy. Yeah, I'm with Moshe Fifth. Based on what I am, yeah, I'm with Moshe Fifth. Based on what I am, yeah, I'm with Moshe Fifth. Based on what I am, yeah.
Seen a body drop, drip drop. I follow, bro, don't feel a lot. Ay, drip drop. In the trap, so like a slot. Drip, drop, she look up at me, give me top. Hit it in my sock before the milli rock. Pop out at her up and bust her diddy bop. She kissing on my neck, she wet like waterfall. You good go, baby, why you take all the money for? Smooth talker, boy, I'm moon walking on the block. Pretty nigga, but also with it on my mom's. Stupid nigga, you went and fucked up all your guap. Her eyes glimmer, but she just tryna take my heart. We don't bleed the same blood, no, you a faker. I can tell she rolling, I don't talk to strangers. Zooming, can you keep a lot of drugs or the paper? Met my niggas in the sandbox, you can speak the language. I took her to Nirvana, she want put me on a Snapchat, I don't wanna. I fuck your bitch all night, the room turned to a sauna. I be thinking about death a lot in some commas. My gang in all the way, the nigga bring the drum. Feed that nigga goofy, I'm rockin' Montclair. Cute bitch, she rollin' sushi, I like her long hair. 2 phones, no new friends, I can't trust ya. Blue pills, it's a blue moon, she get lost here. Drip drop, I just seen her body drop. Bitch, drip drop, I pop a bird, don't feel a lot. Drip drop, in the trap, so like a slot. Drip drop, she look up at me, give me talk. Drip drop, drip drop, yeah. Drip drop, I just seen her body drop.
Jump with the bands and swerving. Pull up a nigga, get nervous. Pull up the drink, I'm geeking. Bum nigga, why'd you speaking? The truth, my walk is water. I pull up and slaughter your daughter. I chop it, I flip it. You know my piece is hidden. Man with a plan, with a vision. Really got nothing to prove. I know how funny life moves. You wouldn't mess it in my shoes. Why you hit me up if I hurt you? You always want to lessen my virtues. So sorry that you took advantage. Piece of wood when it's past my curfew. I get goosebumps all the time. Been paying for my lies. When it becomes your time, let's just hope your soul don't cry. Dark skin nigga for life. Don't be mad cause you mine. John just life to a fight. Nigga be my ass but we still guys. Going like I'm Luna. This shawty used to call me a loser. Bitch power like a sewer. Cause now she wanted dinner. They told her maybe baby when she hit rewind and fix mistakes. Gas it like Mercedes. Hit the road and now she got a chase. Make it really think he living like a prince. Take away his Cadillac, you gonna see him limp. Ask my homie, hold it down, I haven't seen him since. Dumping on these niggas, taking bitches like I'm Prince. Gotta do it like the Nike, artistic, call me Pisces. This life is kinda pricey, feel everything cause my psyche. Don't like me, don't invite me. Got a bad bitch, a man wanna fight me. New York, so you know it's spicy. I'm a man with the perfect timing. Jump with the bands and swerving. Pull up a nigga, get nervous. Pull up the drink, I'm geeking. Bum nigga, why'd you speaking? The truth, my walk is water. I pull up and slaughter your daughter. I chop it, I flip it. You know my piece is hidden. Jump with the bands and swerving. Pull up a nigga, get nervous. Pull up the drink, I'm geeking. Bum nigga, why'd you speaking? The truth, my walk is water. I pull up and slaughter your daughter. I chop it, I flip it. You know my piece is hidden. Why they trying to get inside? They digging, they loving the vibe. Jungle, I gotta survive. I'm swinging, I'm riding the vibes. How you talking suicide? If your room is bigger than my grandma's place. Like the girls who are kinda shy, cause they always seem to give niggas space.
Hey man, hands down is about to be the best remix ever, man. Better than everybody else shit, I'm telling you. Come on, listen. Hey man, fuck your shit up, don't even need a condom. Go to the top, I take you to the bottom. Right now, I should be in the asylum. I control that bitch, water Poseidon. Put the dick inside her pussy, she wildin'. 1 of July, bitch, I am a lion. Trilly my dog, but his name ain't Brian.